Hello everyone, welcome to CADD Nest and I am Pavitra. In this video, we'll be learning as if how do we schedule a meeting on Google Meet. So if you are a teacher, here I am to give you a tip to be on a top. Okay, we'll begin with that. So being a teacher, you have to schedule some meetings in this pandemic situation. So I'm going to give you a tip regarding that. Now to start, I'll firstly get into my email. So if you're using your laptop, you can go for email directly, or if you're using your mobile phones, in order to schedule the future dates a Google Meet meeting, you have to download Google Calendar. So now once you're done with getting into the email, you just have to go for the calendars where you have to create the meeting schedules. So click on this calendar and it will show you the list of events that you have in the future dates. If you have any, you will have that notifications over here. If you don't have any, you can create according to the date and according to the timings you want to schedule the meeting. And presently, I am on 20th of July, as you may have to assign this to the future date. Now to do that, go for this. And it is 23, for example, have to schedule that for 23rd of July. So I'll select this. And it will display me the timings of 23rd of July. So you can select the time on which time you have to schedule the meeting for. Say for example, I'll go with 5 to 6 o'clock in the evening and you can add the title for that. I'll name this as CADD Nest. You can give any name that you want according to the meeting you schedule or according to the topic you have to give. In later time, here also you can go for selecting the date and later here the timings. If the meeting is only for one day, you can just go for selecting the time as if 5 o'clock to 6 o'clock in the PM. And if that is repetitive in nature, you can go for changing that also. Firstly, I'll go for showing for one day, that is for future date. Later I'll show you if that is recurring in nature. Okay. So then you can go for add Google Meet so that it will give you a link. So you can copy this link to the clipboard and you can paste anywhere you want. Either if you're sharing through the WhatsApp, you can share it, or if you want to mail, you can mail. And if you have the participant list which you have to mail them, you can also add guest. You can give the list of mail IDs that you have to add. So I have given the access for 2% and add this. If you want to add any descriptions, you can add any descriptions for that. And later on, if you want the notification before the meeting, you can enable the notification. Generally, I'll go with 30 minutes before. If you are not okay with this, you can choose any of the timings that you want to, so that your calendar will remind you as that you have the meeting at the particular time. And that's it. And then you just have to save. Save and send. As I have chosen the email IDs. If you have not chosen the email IDs, it is no need to send. And then choose send. So that's it. This is how you schedule the meeting for the future dates. And out of this, if you want to edit anything, click on it and you can edit that if you want to. If not, it's done. So if you want to share the link again, you can copy and share it. And later time, if you want to attend the meeting on yourself, so come back to email and select this link so that it will process into the meeting, Google Meet. So you can enable your microphone, you can enable your videograph and you can join. So that's it. So this is all about how you schedule the meeting for the future date. And that's it for the particular video. In my next video, I'll update the information relating to the teachers. So this playlist is only for particular teachers which helps them out with the tips. Thank you. Bye.